Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix screen tearing in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Change screen refresh rate. We will start by right-clicking on the Start icon and clicking on Settings. Next, we enter the System menu and then the Display menu. Here we will enter the Advanced Display option. After that, we are going to select the monitor that we want to configure, and in Choose a Refresh Rate, we are going to select from the drop-down menu the highest value that appears based on our screen. We will do this on every available monitor. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. Change Nvidia driver settings. If you have Nvidia graphics, we will do the following. We go to a space on the desktop and right-click. Then, we click on Show More Options and select the Nvidia Control Panel option. If it does not appear, visit the link above. Here we are going to enter the option to manage 3D settings. After that, we are going to look for the vertical sync option. In its drop-down menu, we make sure that the option to use the 3D app settings is selected. Finally, we will apply the changes and restart the computer. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.